guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Karen from teach.sped.repeat. Today I'm going to show you my IEP binder or my assessment binder. If you look on the side, I have some tabs over here. So these are Avery tabs. I think they were the large ones. What I like about these tabs is that there's a pocket. There's a pocket here and a pocket at the back. So obviously I can put in things there for my students. And obviously my binder is like bursting to the seams. So each tab has a number. I have up to 15 here. And I didn't label the last one here just because the maximum in my class is 15 students. So each student is assigned a number. So from 1 until 15, this is the first student. I'm obviously going to cover his name. So these are basically the goals this student needs to do, and I just wrote there if he did it, the date, the percentage, what the goal is, so that when I pull this out, if I have to do any sort of testing with the student, then I know what to do with the student and where to collect the information. So there you go. So there's the student, things to do, and then when I make a new one, I will show you guys how it looks like, but these are all the work that they've finished. I put it in here. This is for the next student. Everything that the students needs to do, I put it here in the front so I can just pull it out, whether they're questions or answer sheets. And then when they're done, I usually put it in here. This is for student number 3. And I put the quarter because we have 4 quarters, so I need to know what quarter it is we're doing now. So we just finished the 3rd quarter and we're gonna go into the 4th quarter up until the end of the school year. This is for the next student. Obviously I lost the tab, which was like my biggest pet peeve, but oh well, I know he's number 5. So all the words he needs to do, student 6, 7, 8, all the things the student did, I put it there. 9, 10. So obviously this is just a page protector. 11, 12. I also put if they have like O's or referrals or something like that, just to make sure that all the paper works together. And 14. And the last one's 15. And then I just put in some extra stuff for students. And as you can tell, it's bursting to the seams. All the other papers I need, I put it in there too, just so I know where they are. And when I'm done with this quarter, what I do is I put them in this organizer here. There you go. This is just a pretty small organizer. And again, let me just move you guys a little bit. There you go. So each student again has a number, so 1 until 14, because right now I have 14 students, but I should make it 15 just in case I don't have to make it from scratch. And when I pull out this one here, well, there's an extra one. Basically, I divided this into 3 quarters. I was just too lazy to label it because I just did this like a few months back. So this would be for quarter 1, everything the student has done. Quarter 2, quarter 3, and then quarter 4 would be at the back. So that's what I'm planning to do this, so that my binder doesn't get too thick. I file them on in here, and so if parents want to look at the information, I just have all of them here organized. And then usually I leave this in my car so that, you know, if I do need to get it, it's in my car. If I need it at school or if I'm at home and just finishing things or filing things, then I can do this at home. So basically this is how my binder is, and now it's all a mess. So this is what I'm going to be filing this weekend, the next few weekends, and to get ready for the 3rd quarter. Well, 4th quarter, because this is the 4th quarter. So what do you guys do when you have your assessment binders? How does it look like? Mine's just pretty simple. This is the first time I've done it in a binder, and I like it because I can just pretty much take it anywhere. The downside is it does get pretty thick in this one because I just got this binder from the dollar store. I guess it wasn't that sturdy. It started ripping for some reason just because it got heavy. So I might get another binder that's sturdier, but you know, for $1, this has lasted me for a good 1 year, which is not a bad deal. Well, I guess 2 years because I bought this last year and really just started using it this year. So can you guys share with me, what do you do with your assessment binders or IEP binders, what I like to call it, and what do you put in there? Because I like to learn from you guys too, because you know, I like to be more efficient in the classroom, because special ed teachers, we drown in paperwork and we need to keep track of our paperwork. So thanks for stopping by, and please consider subscribing. Click that bell button if you want to be notified, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!